1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Well, it also kind of reminds me of the 7 Habits by Covey. Is that, that's kind of a Kaizen thing, that we're looking at our roles that we play in our life, and then we go ahead and we look at how we can manage them and improve them. Would that be a sense of Kaizen?
Responsible. What I'd say is that when you look at the company, and this is about full enterprise lean, you're thinking in a way that every person every day should be clear on what is their Kaizen project for themselves. Usually it involves other people as well, as we said, in teamwork, but they understand where they fit in the Kaizen structure. So when we do lean on a company, it's very interesting because we find defining different kinds of Kaizen. First, different modes of Kaizen at different levels of the hierarchy. What we do with people on the shop floor would be very simple Kaizen to just observe with very simple frameworks. Then for middle management, we would use A3s. So let me rephrase this. For instance, the first Kaizen tool we'll use for a team would be 5S. We don't use 5S for clean your room. We use 5S for an analysis of the environment and understanding how everything changes every day. So you redo 5S to see how the changes have affected your organization. Then at team leader level or supervisor level, we essentially use 4Ms. Just a simple analysis of looking at the process, looking at manpower, machinery, materials, and method. And this is we use it as a basis for analysis in Kaizen. At middle management level, we will use A3s. So here we're going to deeper, more complex problems, and we'll use A3s. And at very senior level, we would use Hansei, which is reflect and review about strategy, policies, and also politics, because that really matters at a very senior level to understand if we're doing the right thing. So you see, at every level of the company, we will have devised the Kaizen mechanism we want. Now also, in every function, we will have different Kaizen. For instance, in product engineering, the Kaizen is very different than what we would have in manufacturing engineering Kaizen. Product engineering, we will pick some specific issues with product design, standards that we can't respect or things we don't know how to do. Then in product engineering, we would do cardboard cells. Before we build the cells and buy the machines, we create them in cardboard in the real size, and we do Kaizen already on the cells. And then in production, we do flow and layout Kaizen with real machines. And then in procurement, we'll do another kind of Kaizen. So what is interesting is that I feel far more comfortable with the lean transformation when with the entire company, we are quite clear with the form of Kaizen each person has to do according to their level in the hierarchy and according to where they are functionally.